In today's episode, I'm going to share with you guys which CRM is the best choice for your small business. So stay tuned. Guys, welcome to the channel. It is raining cats and dogs out there today. I mean, it is raining super hard. And I wanted to take the opportunity, since I'm doing, basically stuck doing office work today. And I wanted to talk about this behind me here. This is the computer that I use to answer a lot of emails. And one of the emails that I've been getting from you guys over and over again, it's the email basically asking me, this CRM versus that CRM, right? It's basically a variation of like, hey, Mr. Bubbles, which CRM do you recommend versus this one? Is this one better? Or what do you think of this CRM? And, the bottom line, guys, is I've been in business. So I've had a small pressure washing business for 14 years. And I have used 6 different CRMs, right? CRM standing for Customer Relations Management Software. This is the program that will run the administration side of your business, right? So think of like, this is how you create a profile for your customer. This is how you send invoices, how you even send out estimates, and how you get paid, which is the most important part of the business, right? So anyway, when I first started my business, I used to do everything with basically like pen and paper. I would have, I'll never forget this. I had like an accordion style folder in my truck. And then I would have those, you guys remember like those yellow notepads. And then I would just, I wrote everything down. And then I would put it in like accordion folders. And then eventually, I started using spreadsheets at home. And then I would print stuff out. I would print out my schedule via spreadsheet. From there, I migrated to, what was that first program that I had? It was, my God, everyone uses it. QuickBooks, that's what it is, QuickBooks. So I used QuickBooks for about 2 years. I'll be honest with you guys, I really struggled with it. It just wasn't for me. I found it to be, very sort of complex. I just never really could get behind it. And then eventually I found a couple other ones that I can't even remember what they were. And then, anyway, the bottom line is now in 2026, I'm coming up on my 2nd year that I've been using Jobber. If you don't know about Jobber yet, guys, honestly, when it comes to pressure washing, or the pressure washing industry, I should say, in my opinion, Jobber is by far the best CRM, right? Customer Relations Management Software. I actually found out about Jobber because, as you guys well know, I coach a lot of guys in the industry. And for about a little over a year before I signed up, I had, about a dozen or so of you guys out there, some of my coaching clients that would talk to me about Jobber. And then I wasn't with Jobber, I was with Markate. And then, they would just swear by Jobber, man. They were like so adamant about how awesome Jobber was. Eventually, when I was in the market to switch over to a different CRM, that's when I decided, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and check out this Jobber. Man, guys, one of the best decisions I ever made for my business was switching over to Jobber because, let me show you guys this real quick. Look. Guys, this is Smokey right here. Hey, Smokey. This is my cat, Smokey. He's been with me for... Smokey, how long have you been around? I want to say like a good 4 or 5 years. He's the shop's junkyard cat. That's what I got him for. He's a junkyard cat. But anyway, so yeah, guys, I've been with Jobber now for 2 years. Super happy about it. The best CRM, definitely the best CRM in the industry. I'm so glad that I listened to my coaching clients because one of the things that I really appreciate and I like the most about Jobber is customer service, something I've mentioned before here on my channel. Guys, their customer service at Jobber is just top notch. I remember when I first I signed on with Jobber. I had some questions because there were small differences, things I couldn't figure out on my own. Man, guys, they jumped on a Zoom call with me, and it was like, I want to say like a 12, maybe 14-minute Zoom call, like Zoom meeting. And the guy walked me through it. Super awesome. Anytime I got any questions, I mean, you send them an email within a couple minutes. Like, you get an email back, they will get on the line with you. They will solve your issues for you. And I don't know too many companies out there that are like that anymore. You know what I mean? So, and then the other thing is this. I personally, I'm not a big computer guy. Like, I'm not super, I would say, like, computer tech savvy. And I found Jobber to be extremely very user-friendly. Like, it was made for big dummies like me. I just find it like very easy to navigate. And so I think, it's definitely the best program out there. And, like I was saying about emails, you guys emailed me out, asking me out there, which CRM do I personally recommend, or what do I think about that CRM or this CRM? Guys, at that stage of the game, when you're talking about, your top CRMs, you're comparing apples to apples. Like, which apple do you prefer? Do you prefer Granny Smith? Do you prefer Red Delicious? Do you prefer Honeycrisp? That's my favorite apple. That's the best apple, by the way, Honeycrisp. But what I'm saying is, all of these CRMs are gonna be great to some degree, but in my personal experience, judging by what I said, customer service, and just how easy it is to use Jobber, I recommend Jobber. I think, it is the best CRM out there because, man, like I said, guys, I mean, I've used 6 different ones. I'm on my 2nd year now with Jobber, and I'm not going anywhere. I mean, this company is top notch. I really, the thing that gets me the most with Jobber is just the fact that, man, I think back on my journey, right? Like, from opening up my business to starting a small business to trying to figure things out on my own. And, with Jobber, what I feel like is like having a silent partner. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Like, having an AI, artificial intelligence silent partner that runs the administration side of my business for me. And, something I've mentioned on my channel, man, since like episode 5 or 6, we talk a lot about SOMA, right? It's an acronym that I created. It means Sales, Operations, Marketing, Administration. SOMA, SOMA, Sales, Operations, Marketing, and Administration. Those 4 being the main skill sets that you're going to need to be able to run an effective business. Well, one of those pillars being administration, right? So the best way that you can run your administration and develop your organizational skills is by signing up with Jobber. And by the way, what I'm going to do for you guys is I am going to, you go into the description of this video, you're going to see a link. You hit that link, you're going to be able to sign up for like a 14-day free trial of Jobber. Guys, don't take my word for it. You go on there, you navigate your way through it, and you'll get to see for yourself how awesome Jobber really, really, truly is. And what do you think, Smokes? Smokes, what do you think? Tell me the truth, Smokes. Don't lie to me, Smokes. Would you recommend Jobber? Yay or nay? Come on. Come on, Smokes. Yay or nay? Yay or nay? Guys, take my word for it. Jobber is the way to go.